My name is Sundus. I study in class 9. Today our presentation day and my topic is multicellular organisms. Organisms are made up of different cells is called multicellular organisms. Frog and mustard plant are the example of multicellular organism. Multicellular उहे organisms हूंदा आहिनि जेके घणनि cells में ठहियल हुजनि. Frog and mustard plant ने examples in and mustard plant. What is mustard plant? Brassica campestris is the example of mustard plant. The scientific name of mustard plant is Brassica campestris. The plant is locally known as sarson and is cultivated in summer season. Mustard plant एक अहिड़ो बूटो आहे जेको सियारे जे मौसम में पोखियो वेंदो आहे. इन मां सरनि जो तेल थींदो आहे. And my second topic is frog. What is frog? Rana tigrina is the scientific name of frog. It lives in both water and as well as land, and it is multicellular organisms. And there is no neck and is made up of organs with different organs. ॾेढर पाणी में रहंदो आहे ऐं इहो पाणी में बि रहंदो आहे, खुश्की में बि, छाकाणि त इहो वर्टिब्रेट आहे.